welcome to today's YouTube video. Today we're painting our own cat lamp. Yep. And I'm super excited because we get to do it with our friend Puppy. Let's unbox. I have something for the end. Ouch, I fell. I should probably sit down. How did you open it?
It's catalytic.
So the paint.
Oh, this is a pink cat.
Well, the paint and
Here's the place.
and the gems. All the gems.
Whoa, look at all these amazing gems. The paint palette. Whoa, let's get started. Okay, let's
Actually, 13 spots.
Alright, time to break into it, Poppy. Whoa. It's kind of amazing.
You're right. It feels like you can just squish it.
Maybe we should make an eyes and a mouth.
Good idea. I think we should paint everything else first. Okay, let's open the paint. That was easy. Alright, let's open it. Ooh, the paints are so bendy. Bend. Ooh, I got a mini paintbrush. I got two too. I got two as well. What is this?
How did you open that?
Okay, so I just unthawed my paintbrush so I can use it. Alright. I want to make mine a tan kitty. I'm going to make mine a gray. So I need black. What the? It's like dried. That sucks. Hey, at least I can like... We might have to more than one layer paint.
It looks so ugh.
Yeah, we're definitely going to need to more than one layer paint. Actually, maybe not, but probably, yeah. Alright. Now for white. I'm already at my cat's legs. Good for you because I need to make black.
Not black.
I mean gray. So, yeah. Come on, why won't it come out? These ones are total dried. I'm gonna make gray. Oh, there it comes. Come on, gray. It's like a darky gray, and it's such a cute.
I need a lighter gray because I'm going to make stripes.
No, I meant in a different section. But just put a dark gray in a different section. That's actually white, though. He knows. He's gonna mix it. We made some dark progress. Fill in. Too bad all the black and whites were just dry. Now the eyes would smear if we didn't wait for the paint to dry. So we're gonna wait for the paint to dry before we add the other parts. Like stripes and stuff. Yeah, can I do some of your gray for my stripes? Yeah, I'm gonna use lighter gray for my stripes. Same. I love light gray. Oops. Let me put it on here. Where should I put it? I'll just put it on the paint palette. Okay, actually, you can wipe it on the cardboard if you want. No, I'm just gonna wipe it on my towel. Bruh! What? My hands are getting so painty. It's so hard to really just paint a layer on this cat. Bro, you need a lot more layers than I do. You're right. You need 0 more layers, but how is the light gray gonna get on there? That's my question.
It'll work.
Or we can just make a really darker gray, even though this is already pretty dark. When it dries, I actually might not have to put another layer. We'll just see, because I really don't want to put another layer. There was white paint on it. I just covered it up. Down here could use a little more gray. This area could use a little more tan color at the ear. I have my gray a lot. Beautiful. Ooh, mine looks like it kind of has white spots because I haven't filled in all the gaps. It looks like cheese. Now that I look at it. You get the feeling of cheese. Yeah. Oh my gosh! He really turned black! That's not black enough. Oh, look, it turned black! Guys. My hands are so pinky. At least I got all that tan off. Onto the pink. I'm still painting mine because I want to take my time and not rush like you. I wasn't rushing, I was taking my time too. I have to touch paint to be able to actually paint on it. Bruh, that's not enough pink. I'm gonna need a lot of pink for my cat. Because I made mine gray. I wouldn't paint in the ears. I didn't paint in the ears so that I could put the pink. Well, I did because I wanted to. Also, you're gonna need layers of pink. No, I don't. No, look, that looks terrible then. Because no, look, Johnson, there are just so many gaps. I prefer not to have any gaps. Also, why is there more white paint on this? I didn't even put white paint on here. And there's just really white paint. It's not just white paint. Also, you have to wait for that whole thing to dry. And it's so dark and wet right now. Mine is not. It still looks like it just got destroyed because the ears, the pink is just like everywhere and not even close together for me. So I prefer my cat. But I think it's going to turn out better when you're fully done. Yeah. I'll just add some more pink. Ah! Bro, I can't paint. Ah. I can't wait to have the jewels once this thing dries. My cat actually will have customized ears, and the heart jewels I'm going to put on it, which are light pink, are probably going to cover up the gaps. So I don't really need to do that. Okay, now I have to wait for my cat to dry. Mostly on the face, though. I have to wait for it to at least dry on the face so I can draw the eyes. Oh, you're going to need to draw dark. Because, oh my gosh. Wait, we'll name her, Binks. Well, Binks was a boy. This cat's a girl. Okay. And her name is not Binks. Okay. Her name is not Binks. Okay. I'll just get they dried enough so that I can actually put some here. Oops, I put black on the wrong brush. Wait, I need black and stuff for the ears when you don't have black. Wait, black is here. I'm gonna make the mouth thick. Cute, thick mouth. There we go. Mine's happy. It kind of looks like a mustache, but I know it's not. It's a cat mouth of sadness. I mean, happy. No, look, see, it's a frown. It's not a frown. Whatever, it looks like it to me. But it's not. It's not. Okay, we need the pie. Luckily, where I was going. For my nose. Now to add the gems. No, I just want to put the heart already. I'm going to put some gems on the paws. Why won't it stick? Oh, this is the sticky side. It's so hard to get a bead to stick to a cat. Kind of hard, yeah. My heart wouldn't stick. It's so hard to get a... Oh, dang it. We need to... Can we just glue these on or something? With a little bit of clear glue we have left? Because they won't really stick. Oh, it looks like a true marble. Wait, how am I going to get it off without getting glue on my fingers? Here. Pearl, why do you sound like that? Because I'm the master at saying that. I'll just dip it into this glob right here. There, we're starting the back, babies. Ladies and gentlemen. Okay. There's actually nobody watching this on my watch. I don't see anybody watching us, do you? Tell me down below in the comments if you do. Because I don't know who's watching us. Alright. It's okay, have some glue right there. Maybe I should just put glue on the cat. I want to do that. I can drizzle. It won't. Okay. Just be warned. And the glue would dry anyway. I put my gems pretty close together. See, it's not drizzling. Okay? I'm just warning you. It could possibly drizzle. About what is something like that. I don't know. Whoa! Cool. I'm already so far ahead. Because yours actually would stick. Let me try without glue. There, it actually stuck that time. Say what I would. I can't wait for these to be lamps, but how do they turn on? You have to put battery. Oh, there's the circuit. That's where it was. I had no idea where it was. Oh. My cat's gonna be party. Now we skipped some of it. My cat's gonna be party. It took forever for me to put my collar on. Oops. There. Better. Why did you speak like Elsa, Belle? I don't know. I'm a demon. I'm not actually a demon, guys. This is my second green I've put on here. You're second! I think I got paint on one of my sparkles. Oh, wow. This is so cute. She has a heart tail. I'm going to make her have... I don't want mine to have a heart tail. I want mine to have these beads for her tail. I don't care what you want, not what I want. And what I'm going for is a hearty. just have this color.
Okay.
We are
Oh
putting
no,
one of the
I
tools
ran out of my big gems.
Ew, I know. One more. How do I get one more light pink gem? And I don't want it to be small.
Oh, aha.
Okay. And I'll just replace those ones.
The sticky pad fell off of it. Oh, it's because the sticky pads fell off. That's why they wouldn't stick. So I can't use this one. I can use this blue one.
And then for the tail. Blue. And another blue one that actually has a sticky pad. You know, I have glue all over my fingers.
Wow.
Now, I just need to put 2 tiny red.
She's so cute. She's so cute. She's so cute.
But I could use a little more paint. I want to make sure that these are clearly dry. Yep, I can see it. Alright. Dip in with some pink. Mine's so cute. But you know, I think I should add some hearts over here. 2 blue
There, my ears
hearts
are
coming
not
up.
going to be painted perfectly.
One. The other side gets another blue.
So, yeah.
But it looks perfect.
Oh.
Well, I haven't really been using little gems.
So why not use them?
A red.
Like mine?
I do a mine.
Yep.
Okay, good. Because mine is a true. I kind of wish now I had a cat that does this.
Same.
It's so pretty. Last heart gem goes here. I just want this itty purple.
I've not used all my heart gems.
Right here. Now for a big duty. Well, not big, but a big dot one. Right there. Back. And another. I dropped it. Oh, it landed on my leg, but it doesn't have a sticky pad.
Okay.
Our cats are done. I just added a little more gray up here to make a little boundy. And my cats look so elegant and beautiful. Even look at the back, guys. Look at this one's tail.
Spotties.
This one's tail's made out of hearts.
And I think I can add 2 more blue gems. Let's see. 1 heart. 2 hearts.
Okay, we need to pull out this white.
And flip the switch.
Oh my gosh. You can really see the paint, how you painted it now. Yeah, but when it's off, you can't even see that. Like when you turn it off, it just looks beautiful. When you turn it on, though, you can see all the lines you did. You can see all the lines that you missed, too. That were too light. But that's better because then it actually can shine through and make a light. I missed that spot. Oh well. Hope you guys enjoyed today's music video. Don't forget to like and
That's how we're going to be painting
is how they turned out in the real dark. And look, this one kind of matches that one.
Oh, yeah. And do you see the mouth and the pink nose and then these two eyes? And then the whiskers.
Because they can blend in.
Yeah, tell me in the comments if you can.
There is no comments for these kids' activity videos, though.
Well, just leave a like.
If you see it. Subscribe if you don't.
Yeah.
Okay, now really bye.
Yeah, bye.